Marhaba! Welcome sa kusina ni Tito A! Mga kakusina, it's been a long time once again. Today's episode is so special for Tito A. Bakit kamo? Because the ingredients of our menu for today, fresh from Raja's Farm in Quezon Province, Philippines. Woo! Our recipe for today is lumpiang ubod. Yes, heart of the palm. Yan yun, no? So, what we are waiting for? Let's start cooking! I will show you the 3-step preparations. First is cooking the fillings. We will cook the ubod. Second is we will cook the sauce. And third step is from the scratch, we're gonna cook fresh wrapper. And what we are waiting for? Let's start cooking! Ito mga kakusina, first step, we're gonna saute our onion and garlic. Ito na. Umainit na ang ating cooking pan. Let's pour our cooking oil. Ayan. Painitin natin ng konti ang ating cooking oil. So let's put our garlic. Ayan. And then let's add our medium size of onion. Habang ang ating onions turning to translucent, of course, we can put black pepper. Ayan. A little bit salt. Ayan. Just haluin lang natin ng konti. And I will add 1/4 cup of minced chicken. I will add 1/2 cup of shrimp. I just chop it into a small piece to enhance the taste. Let's add a teaspoon of fish sauce. Ayan. Now, it's time to add our ubod or the heart of the palm. Ito yun, no, mga kakusina. I slice it thinly na pang lumpia talaga. Ayan. And then, of course, para naman hindi dalang color, I add 1 carrots. Yan. Same cut, thinly sliced. And we can add water. But Tito A, we will use the shrimp stock. Ito, konti lang, dahan-dahan, just to cook our ubod and the carrots. Diba gumamit tayo ng shrimp? The head of the shrimp, I just boil it, add salt and pepper to taste, at yun na ang ating stock. Ayan. So, halu-haluin lang natin, mekos-mekos, and this is our filling of the ubod. Woo! Hanggang sa malito. We can add more fish sauce, another teaspoon. Ayan. To enhance the taste. Little salt. Ito mga kakusina, just cooking our ubod and the carrots in just 5 minutes. We are done. So, I'm gonna switch off the flame. Now, we will transfer it into a bowl just to cool it down. So, again. Step number 2, we will gonna cook our sauce. In our saucepan, we will add 3 cups of water. Ayan. Then, let's add our 1 cup of brown sugar. let it dissolve. Then, our garlic. Ganun lang kasimple. Let's add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So let's wait. After mixing all the ingredients, let's wait. Ito na mga kakusina. So, our mixture is boiling. Now, we will add slurry o yung tinunaw na cornstarch. Ayan. Para maging sticky or maging malapot ang ating sauce. Ayan. Okay mga kakusina, we're done. Nakuha na natin yung consistency na gusto natin. Ito yon. So, let's switch off the flame. And that's it! Our sauce. This is it mga kakusina. We are now in our final step in preparing the lumpiang ubod. And now, we're gonna prepare the wrapper. So here, we have 2 pieces of egg. Just crack it. This is it. So, we have here 2 eggs. We're gonna use our whisk. Yan. Or, you can use also even fork. We will add 1.5 cup of water. Our 1 cup of flour. So, we will add it here gradually. So, pakonti-konti lang tayo. Ayan. Ayan, no? Pakonti-konti lang ang paglalagay ng ating flour. Para hindi magbuo-buo ang flour natin, no? Okay mga kakusina, we are done mixing the ingredients to prepare our wrapper. Pero si Tito A, gusto ko kasi sa wrapper ng lumpia, very smooth yung texture ng wrapper. So ang gagawin natin, hindi kasi natin may iwasan na may buo-buo pang flour. So sasalain natin. So what I'm going to do now here, meron akong salaan. This mixture, transfer natin. Okay mga kakusina, let's cook our wrapper. Eto. So, we have here our cooking pan. Then, let's splash or pahida natin ng konting oil. And then, in a medium flame, okay, let's pour our mixture. Ayan. 1, 2, hayaan lang natin hanggang sa maluto. Ito mga kakusina, so shake natin. Ayan. In a low flame. Ayan. Then check natin kung siya ay luto na. Oops. So careful lang tayo para hindi mapunit ang ating wrapper. Ayan. Dahan-dahan lang tayo. And then, kita naman natin, no, kapag luto na. Ayan. Ang ating wrapper. Wrapper number 1. Yes, mga kakusina, this is it. We were done preparing, cooking our filling, the sauce, and the wrapper. Now, it's time to wrap our lumpiang ubod. Kaya, what you're waiting for? Here it is. Mga kakusina, so I prepared lettuce. Ayan. So may lettuce tayo dito. This lettuce also will serve as our holder for our filling. We will add now. Let's put here. Okay. The ubod. Okay. O, diba? Mga kakusina. And then, we're gonna wrap it. then fold this butter. Ito mga kakusina, ang magpapasarap sa ating lumpiang ubod, ang ating sauce. Mas maraming sauce, mas masarap. Ayan, no? Saucy na saucy. Yan ang ating lumpiang ubod sa kusina ni Tito A. Ayan. Sauce overload. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang crushed peanuts. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng peanuts. O, di ba? Parang nasa restaurant lang tayo. Dito, sa kusina ni Tito A. Ang ating lumpiang ubod. Tikiman time, mga kakusina. Natatakam na ako. So, tikiman time with our kitchen buddy. So, wala nang patopik. Diba? Tawagin na natin. El Raja Dika, pasok! Mga kusina, tulog, sleeping time ni kitchen buddy natin ngayon. Kaya, si Tito A lang ang titikim ng ating so yummy lumpiang ubod. So, eto na mga kakusina. Ayan, no? Ayan. Pero, syempre, bago natin to kainin, masarap ang partner nito para sa akin. Tea or coffee. Kaya naman, eto. Bago yan, mag-shoutout muna tayo. Meron akong Coffee Town from Malaysia. Ayan. Sa mga gusto umorder, ano lang po yan. Visit nyo lang po ang page ni Ate Renza na WY Pasabay. This is from Malaysia actually. And kaya gusto ko to. So this pack, merong 15 pieces. Ayan, ito yung kanyang packaging. O, di ba? Maganda. May 15 pieces of this. At ang maganda rito, hindi siya masyadong matamis and good for Tito A. So, wala siyang sugar. Parang walang sugar. Ito. And then, message lang po kayo doon. At ito na. Masarap siya. Ate Renzel, kaya naman. So, ayan. And then, this is it. And, ready na ang aking hot water. Tikiman time! Ang ating lumpiang ubod. Heto na ang ating lumpiang ubod. Ayan. Heto na. Unang subo with our lumpiang ubod. Yumminess. Manamis-namis ang ating lumpia. Siyempre, fresh yan from Quezon Province, Philippines. At yung ating sauce lalo, nag-complement, no? So yummy, mga kakusina. So, ganito lang kasimple ang ating lumpiang ubod, no? Ito na, no? Sarap eh. Oops. So yummy. With hot coffee. Oh, perfect. So, muli, maraming salamat. Shout out Chan family, Bong, Iki, Tris, and Travis. Maraming salamat. And happy Mother's Day also. Iki, of course, to my wife, Mother Says, and sa lahat ng mother around the world, Happy Mother's Day. Salutes to all mothers. And so, ano pa iniintay nyo? Parinin na sa kusina ni Tito A. Muli, maraming salamat and masalama 14,000 subscribers! Woohoo! Shukran jazilan. Masalama Ay,